Well, these are made by J G Meakin, mid-century, 20th century that is, 1950s, 1960s. A nice, just over 1 foot platter. Bit of moulding on these. You can see this irregular rolling scallop, but there's also some moulding, as you can see, the shadowing here in where the base plate comes up to meet the rim, which is almost flat. If we show you the well, actually it's not when you look at it on the side elevation, but it certainly gives the impression of being far flatter from the top. The pattern is one called Renaissance. Meakin made this in a variety of different colours, including green, pink, red and blue. This is the grey and white version. It's this large sort of almost Art Nouveau-ish tulip design with little swirls on a grey background. More moulding around the rim on this piece, which is nice to the touch, gives you that sort of tactile sensation when you're picking these platters up. Show you the period China marks on the reverse. English Staffordshire. Sterling is the sub-brand that they were manufacturing in, so it was a range of daily use china that Meakin was making mid-century. Renaissance is a pattern, genuine hand engraved permanent colours. This is Ironstone china, J G Meakin, England. So a very nice marked piece. You can see how clean this is. And what really stands out about both of these two platters is the surface on them. Absolutely mint. Fantastic to find them this old, 70 to 80 years old, and in such fine, bright condition. The same goes for the glaze on the front and the transfer detailing rims. No condition notes on them at all. Two really nice mid-century Meakin grey and white china Ironstone serving plates in Renaissance. Thanks for watching.